My iPhone has VoiceOver enabled, but if yours doesn't, you can quite easily turn this on. Depending on your device, you can either press the circular home button at the bottom of the screen 3 times, or else press the rectangular button at the right-hand side of the device 3 times, and this should turn VoiceOver on. Once VoiceOver is on, you then need to swipe until you reach the settings. So to do this, you'll use one finger to just swipe to the right through the screen, through the menu, until you hear settings. You'll then hear settings. And to open settings, you'll double tap your finger onto the screen, and then settings will be activated. You'll then, like before, use your finger to swipe through the menu until you hear notifications. You'll then double tap on notifications, and you'll keep swiping again. And depending on how many apps you have on your phone, you might have to do this for quite a long time until you hear emergency alerts. So when you hear emergency alerts, you'll then swipe again and you'll hear extreme alerts. At the moment, mine is switched on as it says on, but to turn this off, you'll double tap until it says off. There's then a severe alert just next to that. And again, you'll do the same thing. So just double tap twice to turn off. Then these should be turned off and the emergency alerts will not sound on Sunday, the 23rd of April.